Let me see the wheel.
Yeah.
It's a wheel for a bicycle.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Yeah.
Repairman.
My name is Mohammed Makoha. I'm in Karen Market. I used to repair bicycles. This one is now a rim. When it's wobbling like this one, I used to put it in a machine for alignment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see your machine.
That is the machine.
Tell me about your machine. Did you make this machine?
Yeah, I made it by myself.
How did you make it?
Provide you have a T-like shaped metal, you carve it in a way that it will have this adjustment bolt and these ones to remove the paint. Yeah.
Okay, let's see, how does it work?
Now, this is the machine. Use it to adjust to make it center. Then this one, when it is wobbling,
yep.
This is the brake areas where we start on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Now this spoke, in this side you have either to loosen it, it comes this way, or you tighten this one, it comes this way, or you loosen this one, it comes at the center. Okay?
Great.
Now you just go on circulating, you circulate it. When it touches this way, you loosen this one, and then you tighten this one, so it comes at the center until it comes through.
Fantastic.
So you just continue like that.
How long does it take you to do one wheel?
It depends on how the paint is. We have the damaged paint or a slight paint, so it can take about 5 to 10 minutes.
And how much does it cost to have a bicycle wheel realigned?
At here now at Karen we charge 40 shillings.
40 shillings, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. That's really interesting. Okay, keep going. So this is another one of your inventions?
Yeah, this one is now a machine used to unlock a free wheel.
Show me how you do it. Or show me the machine, show me how it is.
This is the machine. This adjustment nut is used to hook a free wheel like this one. So when it hooks, you tighten up, and then you unlock it. Now this one, you just hook it. You just hook it in that manner, and then you start unlocking it.
Wow.
You start unlocking it, and then it comes out.
How did you come up with such an invention?
You just look for a way, because you look when the moment you are using a punch, it used to damage. So we used to have a knowledge of having this machine because we do unlock it anti-clockwise. So when you make it anti-clockwise, it just take it off.
Fantastic.
The free wheel.
Great. How many